up, everybody? So we got another project. It is a 2017 Tesla Model S P100D with ludicrous mode. Just in case people don't know, this underscore means ludicrous. Let's have a look. So it got some damage on the left rear quarter panel, left rear door, ripped the rear suspension out. Then we go around. Got some damage on the right fender. Here is the suspension from the left rear. The calipers are still good, which is good. Other than that, she's looking nice. So let's take it apart and make a list of all the parts that we need to buy. We'll go ahead and disconnect the wire harness and take the bumper off because it's still usable, just got some scratches. Actually, we got 2 clips and a 10mm. We'll unscrew that. First, we are going to remove the front bumper cover and then the fender. See what the damage we got behind the fender. Now we have to pull the frunk out so we can disconnect the wire and harness. And here is the plug.
You say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason
And there you go, that's how you take a bumper off. Now we'll take off the headlight and the fender.
Don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love.
So let's go over everything we need. We need this bracket is bent. We need this fender rail, upper fender rail, and this bracket. We're going to be replacing that. We need the mirror housing. Everything else is good on it. The cover, the glass. Then we go around. The bumper cover was good, just had some scratches, but there's a lower valence. It's scratched up pretty bad. We're gonna replace it. And then this bottom cover is scratched up. We're gonna replace it. Obviously we need the quarter skin, the outer, and then the inner right here we need. I already bought a used quarter panel, it's coming. Then we need the door handle. On this side I stole the mirror for my P85. We need to get the mirror, and I stole the spindle. We need to get the spindle. I got the spindle already coming. The front bumper was good. And roof airbags right and left, and driver's taillight, and the fender liner I also stole on the driver's side, so we need that. And we also need the fender liner for this side. And all the suspension for the left rear, I got it all coming. So that's all we need. Once the suspension all gets here, we'll put it on and move it inside and start working on it. So we got another project we'll be working on. It is a Ferrari F430 challenge. We'll be replacing this quarter panel, trunk lid, rear rail section, this quarter panel, fixing this door, fixing the fender, fixing the bumper, fixing this fender, fixing that, removing all the stickers, and painting the whole thing. So this should be a fun project. It is straight up a race car. that has been in many races. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Peace out, everybody.